Alright, we're going to show you how to do a level kit on Highlander 2018. What we're going to do is take up the cover, take up the windshield wipers, and take up the tie bowl down here. This one, the racket extension for 2 inches. The kit is gonna be up there. We ready to put it? Take it up in here. You go down there. So all the kit it from here. See this one on the front, on the top the shock, and this one the level 2 inches level racket. This one on the back, on the rear, about 2 inches, 2.5 or 2.25, something like this. And then the 2 racket on the back when you install it. So we just installed that side. Right now still we need to do this one, so I will make a video for this one. Alright, the rims is out. So what you do is loose this one off, both of this come off, this one loose them up. So, and 3 bolts on the top. That's all. You take it out. Yeah. So this one is 17 socket, this one 12 socket, and this one 22. So look this one off, and 3 on the top, and this one, yeah, 3 on the top, and take it out easier. Then you can put level kit on top of it. So this one 14mm, the socket, the nut for 3 of them, 1, 2, 3. So when you loosen them up, all the way down now. So this one 22 socket already come off. So you take it out. So yeah, that's it. That's all we did. So okay, already in 3. Go down here, 2 bolt ties in. This one extension 2 inches, so it's gonna be right there. See, it's gonna be right there, the bolt right here. That's all you need. And retie all of it back where the way you want, and put a tie in, the rims in. That's all. That's easy. All right, everything already done, in order, in place. And now we put back the cover on it. So, and put a windshield wiper place on it. So that's all. We done on front right now. So I have to check it out on the back. So I'm doing it in the back right now. All right, I took everything off already. So the rims out, and this is the strut. So you got to listen the racket for it. Right there. So took the bowl out, and I got 3 right here, 3 bowls. You took it out, and the racket hanging out here. So then you release the bowl right here. So that's the mean right there. So when you drop it down, it's not all the way down yet. This is the tie rod, the stripe up, and then what you do is just loose them up and take it out. This is the one, the piece underneath it like this. Yep, either or like this. Okay, so when you take it out and you put a extension on it, I mean adapter connection. See, this one right here, this one right there. So go all the way. So they come with a bolt. So you tie it in, and you got to lose the exhaust thingy, so you can make them loose like this, and then you put the flat head in here to press it out all the way down to pull the spring out. Okay, when you pull spring out, you put the liver kit. It's 2 inches up here, so I'm just put the screw across, and then you can hold like this, press it out. You know, more room to squeeze the spring in. So remember the level kit, it sit on the top the rubber, and underneath the thing right here, the metal. So they supposed to be underneath there. So that's supposed to be like this. So right now, I got to put this stuff in. So tie it, and also they got this racket for this one too. So I got to install this one first. And then yep, it's just like that, and install this one after, you know, and this is the support for the strut. So let's do that. So for jack right here, right to the boat, jack them up, and this thing right there, it gonna be in order. So, all right, that's it. All right, that's enough. That's enough. So the board right here. So that's it. All right, so we have to put it in. Got a jack right here to raise them up, and the back there, it's extension 2 inches back there, right in. So level kit right here. So this is the one right there, the racket. So we put sideways here, and the bolt come out here. So just tie it in. The washer is gonna be underneath here. So sprout right here. So that's all we need. Put a tie back, and everything is going over. So we're good to go. It went out. So oh yeah, don't forget to put the exhaust back wherever we want. Okay, take out the rims out. So what we're going to do is loose all of it, 3-4 of them, and then the big bolt right here, big bolt, big nut right there, and 2 of this right there. Loosen them up, and have a jack bottom here to support, to bring it out, and then put the spring back in and level kit on it. So all right, put the ball back, this flat head. So press it down like this and pull the spring out. See the spring, you pull it out like that, it's easier. And then you can take off the rubber right here, and that's it. And then put the level kit on top of it, on top of this, and squeeze it in. And this one, the tie rod, the one we've been tied earlier. See this one. So to loosen them up, and put the extension racket 2 inches in here. So that's all. And this one, take them off. It's all off right here. Yeah. That's it. So let's do it. It's
cold in there.
Yep. So this one, how the way it is, put some tie rod on it. That's all we need. We tie it in. And this one go to here. So that's it. That's how that's supposed to be. That's it. Yep, that's one going in here. Yeah, that's perfect. More. Alright, that's enough. Alright, line up the hole first. Alright, so the bow is tied in. That's it. So this one, rate them up. So rate them up. Put this one in here. That's all we need. Yep, everything in order. Yep. Front and back.